4 types of embedded systems. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore the 4 main types of embedded systems, classified based on performance and functionality requirements. Introduction. Embedded systems are everywhere, from simple household appliances to complex industrial machines. They are designed for specific tasks, and based on their performance and functionality, they fall into 4 main categories. Classification overview. The 4 main types of embedded systems are standalone systems, real-time systems, network systems, and mobile systems. Let's take a closer look at each. Standalone embedded systems. Standalone embedded systems can work independently without needing a host computer. They perform dedicated tasks. Examples include microwave ovens, calculators, and MP3 players. Real-time embedded systems. Real-time embedded systems respond instantly to external events. They are crucial where timing is critical, like in airbag deployment, pacemakers, and industrial robots. They can be classified as hard real-time or soft real-time, depending on the strictness of timing requirements. Network embedded systems. Network embedded systems are connected to networks like LAN, WAN, or the Internet. These include smart home devices, network routers, and IoT systems. Their main advantage is enabling communication and remote access. Mobile embedded systems. Mobile embedded systems are portable and compact, integrated into mobile devices. Examples are smartphones, tablets, and digital cameras. These systems are optimized for high performance while being energy efficient. Conclusion. In summary, embedded systems are vital to modern life. The 4 main categories, standalone, real-time, network, and mobile, support industries and daily life in unique ways. Understanding these types helps us better appreciate how technology shapes our world.